y'all. Y'all see my new bike seat and my new bag on the front to carry my phone and a couple drinks and that kind of thing. That seat there, that's the ticket, let me tell you. Yeah, buddy, that is the ticket. That is a comfy seat. We love these bikes. We really, really love these bikes.
Try to get my height right. I think it's pretty good right there. That's all there was to it.
Okay, he's gonna go test it out. Y'all know he's already done it on my bike. He just had to make sure the seat was good.
This is it, right? I guess I'll know.
I like the seat because it fits your butt. Scrawny butt, fat butt, skinny butt, whatever butt, it fits. It's very comfortable.
Wow. I feel like I have a new bum. Woo, man, it's good. It's all right. I think once it gets broke in a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very
Got
comfortable.
the tire pressure in the tire set at 10 psi. Well, for me, since I'm heavy, I put mine at 11 in the back, 11, 12. Yours is 10 all the way around. So I think we're good. Let's see if Kevin likes it. I'll be back.
All right. Yeah, our friends bought these bikes also, and they ordered seats like ours too. Y'all, this is what community is all about. People helping out each other, breaking bread together, and enjoying each other's company.